I was about to say my skin always looks good, but that just sounds so vain, so I'm not gonna say that. Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. So today is Sunday and I am about to go run some errands. I want to go to the grocery store. I want to run to the mall really quickly and see if I can find another keychain. I want to go to get my nails and my toes done. That's the plan. Let's see if I can get everything done today. So I did not end up going to get my nails done today. I'm going to try to go tomorrow, but I did go grocery shopping as you guys saw. So I got some groceries, and so tonight I'm going to make a charcuterie board while I watch The Real Housewives of Potomac. So that's what I'm about to do now. I just cleaned my board. I got this board from TJ Maxx. I think it was $4.99. $3.99, $4.99. So I'm about to chop up all of my fruits, veggies, cheeses, and meats, and bread, and all of that, and put it on my little board. Ooh, la, la, la. Ooh, la, la, la. Ooh, la, la, la. Ooh, la, la, la. So my board is made. I have grapes, cucumbers, I have some toasted honey wheat bread, I have some carrots, I have an assortment of meats, I have apples, I have some brie cheese, and now I'm about to pour myself a glass of peach wine. Excuse me. So my hair is doing something crazy. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what it's doing. I am about to make some avocado toast. So I just chopped up some avocados. I just chopped some avocados up, and I'm now about to fry an egg really quickly. And there it is, voila, avocado toast. So I am about to go get some lunch. It's 3:30. I think I'm gonna go to the Cheesecake Factory and get a Caesar salad. So I'm just wearing my ugly sundress that everybody says is ugly, but I like it. I'm wearing that with my Shein bubble sandals that I showed you guys in my Shein haul. And then I just have my little Target bag, and I'm just wearing my Tory Burch bracelet with my Dior bracelet and my Kate Spade earrings. And I just have my hair in this ponytail. I need to clip my ends. I need to clip like that much off. And then my scent of the day is the Tom Ford Bitter Peach. I have the travel size of this fragrance because the regular size is like $400, and I'm planning a birthday trip, so maybe I'll get it for myself for my birthday, or I'll get it for myself for Christmas or something. But right now your girl has the travel size, okay? And you only need, it's Tom Ford, so you only need like 1 to 2 squirts, like That's literally all you need because the fragrance is so strong, like extremely strong. So you don't need a lot of that fragrance at all. So that travel size will last me a while. I don't remember the last time I vlogged, and I don't know what I was talking to y'all about in the vlog. Sorry about that, but I'll take y'all with me while I go get some lunch. So let's go.
Now throw your hands up in the sky. Rock over mine, I got to shine. Now throw your hands up in the sky. I'ma get on the TV, mama. I'ma put shit down. Hey, 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 hey. Welcome to the good life. Where niggas are CLD, won't even get pulled over in they new V. The good life, let's go on a living spree. Shit, they say the best things in life are free. The good life, it feel like Atlanta, it feel like LA, it feel like Miami, it feel like NY. Summertime shy.
Yo, I have so many perfume samples. So many. You name it, I got it. So I'm just kind of going through it to see what I want to wear today. I have these. I kind of want to wear these. I kind of want to wear this one, but I'm like, how? I don't need it to spray. I don't want to splash. I want it to spray. So, and I have a couple of those as well. I have a few of those, I think, actually, yeah. So I'm just trying to figure out what I want to wear today. I love perfume samples because it's such a great way to try new fragrances, and you can decide if you like it or not and give it a wear test, see how it works with your natural body chemistry. I have a few of these Givenchy fragrances, so I think I might wear one of these today. And this little vial, I will say I get two wears out of it. So, you know, it's pretty good. I like that. I have two of those as well, two of these. Got some MFK honey. Got some Libre from YSL. Got some Cartier. I have a lot. I have a lot of fragrances that I get to choose from. Got some Jo Malone, some Tom Ford honey, some Valentino. So I'm at Starbucks and I ordered a different drink than what I usually get. I ordered a drink that I saw on the Macro Barista, and it is a double caramel cold brew. This is the one that I ordered, if y'all can see that. So it's basically a grande cold brew with 2 pumps of caramel, 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla syrup, and a splash of half and half, but I got a splash of almond milk because y'all know I don't do dairy. So I hope that is good. I've never had this one before. We'll see. Hopefully it's good. So definitely check out his page on Instagram if you want some really good Starbucks ideas. And also it's a good way to be able to enjoy Starbucks without having like this super sweet coffee that's full of sugar and all of that. Like, he tells you different ways that you can still get a coffee, enjoy it, but do it in like a healthy way type of thing. So that's what I'm doing now. Just waiting in line. I like this Starbucks, the Starbucks that I'm at, because I think it's cute. It's a very modern looking. So after I leave Starbucks, I need to swing by Target because the battery in my key fob, my other key fob, died. So I need to go and get some CR 2025 batteries so I can change it. Try to figure out how to change it because I've never tried to change it before. So we'll see if I can do it. So I had to swap out my key fobs. It's the same cover. I just put it on my other key fob. This is the one I usually never use. All right, we going. We moving up, y'all. We moving up. Let's sit y'all down. Wait. Yeah, I gotta figure out somewhere to put y'all in the car. I don't be knowing where to put it, you know. Other than holding y'all, I'm just gonna have to hold y'all. My skin looks good. I was about to say my skin always looks good, but that just sounds so vain, so I'm not gonna say that.
And here's our cold brew.
Thank you.
Trady, you can insert your tip right here for me. It's gonna be 423 today.
May I have a straw?
Absolutely, yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
There we are.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. So it's not as pretty as I was. Ooh, y'all can't even see me. So it's not as pretty as I was expecting it to be. It just looks like a regular cold brew. So let's taste it and see what it tastes like. Good job right here. It's kind of good, but you can definitely taste the artificial sweetener in the sugar-free vanilla. For sure. For sure, baby. But I like it. I do like it. I have to add it to my TikTok. Y'all, doing TikToks is hard. Jesus. Making TikToks is very difficult, especially if you do TikToks like the ones I do, like, whew, wait, I can't do it yet. The ones I do, like the vlog TikToks, very hard to do. I went to Target and I did not vlog inside of Target because it was insane. Today, I believe, was the first day of school for the college students, and so Target was packed. But I was able to get this picture. Y'all can see it. It's a glass pitcher from Target. I got this because I am going to pre-make my iced coffee. So I'm gonna put it in here. So in the mornings, I can just take this and just pour it into my cup and go, versus like mixing and all of that. So I'm just gonna pre-make it. But I need to clean it and then put it in the dishwasher. I also stopped by Marshall's and I picked up a new face cream. It is from H2O Plus Beauty, I think it's called. I don't know. I saw it in there and it was a water cream, and I was like, I love water creams, so I picked it up to use it. And thinking if this should be the end of the vlog, or should I continue this? Should this be a really long vlog? Tomorrow is Tuesday and I don't have any plans for the rest of the week, just work. And I'm going to be cooking at home, not eating out or anything. I also have to pack up a dress that someone ordered from me on Poshmark. If you guys did not know, I sell on Poshmark and Mercari, and those links are always down in the description box. In all my videos, you can find my Poshmark link, you can find my Mercari link. So if you're interested in seeing what I have for sale, then you can definitely check it out. I can let you guys watch me do that. So I'm gonna go into my closet and pull the dress out and everything. My closet is a mess right now, so I'm not gonna take out of my closet. I would, but it is just a mess right now. And girl, it is a mess. So this is the dress that someone purchased. It is an Hervé Leger type of dress. I know y'all remember these dresses from a couple of years ago. I wore it once and it is like in perfect condition. It still looks brand new. Very, very heavy. I wore this a couple of years ago one time, but someone purchased it. I just fold the dresses up and then I place them in a box. And then I write like a note and say like, thank you for shopping with me. Like, I hope you enjoy. You know, something just to make it really sweet. Just because it's like, you know, they're getting something new in the mail. Everyone likes a nice little note when you get something new in the mail. I don't know about y'all, but every time I order something for myself in the mail, like if I order myself something new, I always send a gift message with it. Always, every time. I write myself like a special note and I say something sweet to myself. So when I receive it, I have like that little message card in the box saying like a nice little note to myself. So I just put some tape on it and I put the dress in the box, and then I'm gonna put a little note just on a strip of paper, and I'm just gonna say thank you for shopping my closet. I hope you enjoy your new dress. And then I'm just going to fold it up. And I don't remember the buyer's name. I'm gonna go get my phone, see what the buyer's name is, because I like to put the names on the note, because I want it, you know, I want it to be personalized. I want her to see it and be like, oh my gosh, you know, I like it when it's that way for me. When people when I buy something and they have a little note on it, I like it. Then I'm just gonna put some tape on the box, and then I have to go, I gotta go get my laptop from my bedroom and print out the shipping label. I'm all out of black ink, so I'm gonna have to print the shipping label in blue ink, dark blue ink, and hope that nobody notices. Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. So that's what I'm about to go do, and then I'm gonna go take this to the mailbox to drop it off so that CJ can get her new dress in a timely manner. She bought it yesterday, so I want to get it shipped out today. So that's what I'm about to go do. And yeah, I will see y'all later.